So I'm gonna answer this advice through a video, okay? So just use boob tape CC from Sunset Navis. Hello to you, Sunset. Okay, so boob tape versus Misseskisses. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the difference between the two. So in my jumpsuit, which is the best Misseskisses plunge bra. So this one is the deep, this one is the shallow, and this one is the moderate. So I'm gonna use the moderate, okay? So it will be invisible. Okay, so I'm gonna use the boob tape, which is this one. Okay, so one. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one. Okay, so okay, so I'm gonna wear it, guys. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Okay, so now I am wearing the boob tape. Okay, so basically have a cleavage, okay, but as you can see, guys, look at this, it's empty. There is nothing. Okay, so when you are at the side view, it's like this. When you're in front, is like this. Okay, but I really don't like it. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Misseskisses. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the Misseskisses. Okay, so the Misseskisses, as you can see, guys, it's really full. It's really full. You know? Did you see that? Even in the side view, guys, it's really gorgeous. Okay, so what is the thing about this? This one is strapless and backless. Okay, so what you guys think? So for me is Misseskisses win, super win. So as you can see, guys, so nice.